Cheers. Drink. Hold it up. Woo!
What?
Mommy earned some pharmacy cups. This was for maintaining director status in December.
Congrats.
Woo! Hello everybody! Welcome back to the channel. We have another unboxing, and this is a big one, y'all. This is big, and there's lots of new goodies in here, okay? Lots of good pharmacy stuff in this one. So let's go ahead and dive into this and see what all I got. Okay, so there were a couple like incentive items that I earned just from hitting certain things, all that type stuff. This is like a glitter makeup bag. How cool is that? It's one of the like rose gold ones, and then the zipper is gold. Speaking of incentives, this was another one. If you hit a certain level, you got to get this incentive, and I think it was like only $4 to get this if you hit that certain level. So I will show you this. This is super cute. Hold on, get the ring light off of it. So it's like a fluffy makeup brush. This is a little like mirror compact, and then there's like a rose gold eyelash curler. And this was one of the incentives. It was super cute. Then I did grab the new, this is the Limitless Mascara. And people have been like ranting and raving about this. So I'm like super excited to see what all the hype is about. But it actually has the same ingredient in it that our eyelash, like the Grow serum has in it, and the garlic and capixyl line. It actually has capixyl in it, so it's going to help your lashes grow as well. Like, what? So this is what the tube looks like. And then I just wanted to show you guys here. This is like my first time even opening this box and even like diving into it here. So it's got kind of like a concave, like there's a little bit of bend to the brush, like just in the middle. So there's higher parts on the outer parts, like here and here, and then it kind of like dips down in the middle. So I'm like really interested in using this brush. I'm always a big fan of like the more of like the fibery type brushes. I had to like stand for this unboxing because the box is so big. It came, I was like, oh, this is a heavy box. This was another incentive that I earned. I earned a lot of incentives. I don't purchase a lot or anything, or you know, purchase for my local people. Oh my gosh. So this is a whole set of the, here we go, the Lamour. It's got a body spray that has like gold flecks in it. I actually have it on right now, and it like, I have gold flecks all over from it. And then it also has a body wash and a body butter, and I've been using those lately for like my scent. I go back and forth between the Pearl body butter and body mist, and then this one. I like both smells. We got some more new. Y'all, let me show ya. New hand creams. So of course I grabbed like every scent because I needed to be able to smell them all and know what they smell like to recommend them. But so here's what they look like. They're these little hand creams. They're really nice because they're small, so you can like toss them in your purse, diaper bag, like what have you. And then here's the little cap right here. So I'm just gonna grab a little bit just to kind of like smell it, feel the texture. It's really like lightweight. It's not super thick or anything, but it's thick enough to provide a nice like hydration. Oh, this smells like summer. Coconut and vanilla, like it doesn't smell like sunscreen, but it smells like that tanning oil. I don't know if anyone ever used to use that like spray oil stuff in the summer. Like, of course, like now I use sunscreen, but when I was young and dumb, I would just use the spray oil stuff. And I feel like that's what it smells like, and it just reminds me of summer. This one is the Moringa. Hopefully I pronounced that right. Probably not. I probably butchered it. It's fine. I'm gonna be putting this like all over. I'm gonna smell like a million different things here. Ooh, I like that one a lot. That one is like, it reminds me of something and I can't think of it. It's just like a super light, fresh, like morning, I don't know. If I think of it, I'll put it in on one of the next videos because it's like right on the tip of my tongue. It smells like something. Okay, and then this one, Verbena. I don't know if I'm saying these right, but we're going with it. I'm gonna have like fronts and backs of my hands. They're all gonna smell different. Ooh, that one is like lemony fresh. Like not lemony like in a cleaning product type way, like lemony like like in a sweet, like lemon type dessert type of way. It smells really good, oh my God. I'm a big lemon fan, like lemon bars, lemon cookies, lemon cake, lemon pie, anything like that. I really like that taste. So that's like what that reminds me of. Okay, last one is, hold on, there we go. This one is cherry blossom. So I kind of like have a feeling what this one's gonna smell like. Oh yeah, oh, like this one almost has like the after smell of it. Like when I was like pulling it away, I got like the after smell of like cherry chapstick. That's kind of what it smells like, but like in the best way possible. It's very like cherry smelling, like when you smell it, and then like, I don't know, the after smell, like when I was taking my hand away, I got like a cherry chapstick vibe. I don't know. I'm a fan. I like them. I like them all. Here, I'm just gonna like mix them all together and we're gonna see if I can make a new scent. But they smell really, really good, y'all. My favorite would have to be the Morenga? Morenga? Yeah? I don't know, I'm trying to like trill my R, thinking I'm being all fancy. I don't know if that's how you're supposed to do it or not, but you know. So I did snag a couple more of my Pearl body butters just because, like I said, this is like one of my go-to scents. So I did snag a couple more of those. Then I got a cute little ring tab thing for your phone. That was another incentive. I earned a lot of stuff this time, y'all. They were generous. And they also, I know that I was telling you guys that they have hand sanitizer. Well, this month they actually came out with a spray hand sanitizer, which is kind of cool because I feel like the other hand sanitizer, I like it, but sometimes if you're like in a hurry, I didn't want to have to like take the cap off, put it in my hands, then try to put the cap back on with like out spilling all the stuff that was on my hands. So I kind of like that they came out with a spray version because that's probably going to be more my go-to. I did snag one of the new lip conditioners. So you guys know I rant and rave. Sorry. I gotta get out of the shot there. You guys know I rant and rave about the lip conditioner and loving the lip conditioner, but it did change like the texture of like the matte liquid lipsticks. So they reformulated it to still be really hydrating, but it's not going to change the texture of the matte liquid lipsticks. They're still gonna be able to stay matte. So I'm like super excited. They still smell the same, which is good because it has such a like light vanilla kind of like sugar cookie, but like on the like a really, really light side of that. And they still smell the same, so that's awesome. So I'm excited to try that with the matte liquid lipstick. Then I did grab some more of my calendula face cream because that is what I have been using in the winter here just because I've been drier. You guys, oh my gosh. I had to grab Joe some more aloe lotion because he's always complaining that he's dry in the winter too. So he uses this like all over his body just to like hydrate. But you guys, oh my God, this is like what everyone has also been ranting and raving about. This is from the Age Reverses line, and this is the All Night Beauty Mask, okay? So like it's a very like hydrating mask that you're gonna wear like literally at night, because even the calendula line has a sleeping mask, and what a sleeping mask is, it's just a little bit more hydration, a little bit thicker, but it's not gonna clog your pores, but it's going to make your skin super, super soft overnight. Like you leave it on and then in the morning you'll wash your face and put on your daily moisturizer. But this is for nighttime when you really need that extra moisture and just to help with like those fine lines and anything like that, okay? So I am so excited to try this. You guys have no idea. Okay, a couple other new things that I got from the Age Reverses line. So this one's not new. This is still the eye cream from the Age Reverses line, but they did repackage it and they put it in a bottle with a pump on it. And I think there's a little bit more in this one, so they're a little bit bigger. And then this is the exfoliating cleanser, okay? This is from the Age Reverses line as well. This is the exfoliating cleanser. I'm a big fan of anything exfoliating because I feel like I just get like a lot of like buildup and stuff like that, and so I always like something exfoliating, so that's why I was such a big fan of the aloe scrub when I first started with Farmasi. And then obviously like I've just kind of like worked my way through the lines just to try them out. And I mean, honestly, I use different things for whatever my skin is needing at that point in time, but I still try to incorporate all of the Age Reverses skincare like in with that at some point or another, just because I feel like obviously like I'm 30 now, so I'm trying to like, you know, be preventative with like lines, wrinkles, age spots, stuff like that. So, but the Age Reverses eye cream definitely helps with my like dark circles. I did grab Joe some more of the beard oil. This is like in every order. I got a couple cute gift bags. This one is the Farmasi gift bag. This one was more of like one of like the Christmassy ones. Happy New Year. Oh God, here we go, y'all. Here we go. Oh, and I earned one of the blood orange like body mists. And these actually are really nice for even like room freshening. If you like kind of that citrusy smell. I've like used it to like freshen, like just spray in the house. Like I like the smell of it. And it has kind of, it's blood orange and turmeric, so it almost kind of has, I don't know if you know what that smell is, but even the body wash, I would use it because it was almost kind of like a unisex smell. Like it like had a feminine smell, but it also had kind of like a musky like male smell. I don't know y'all, but it was a very like universal type smell. And so I really like this stuff. I ordered another perfume. This is our new perfume, okay? I'm gonna try and smell this one because I've told you guys very openly that I haven't found one that like totally floats my boat, right? I'm very honest with you guys about these things. So I am like so anxious to smell this one. I'm like, please. The unveiling, I'm nervous. I'm nervous. The bottle is really pretty. The bottle is like super pretty, y'all. Like, look at this bottle. Like, how pretty is that? It's got like a crystal top. I'm a sucker for a good design on like a perfume bottle, okay? Okay, it's not bad. It's not bad. I have to let it settle a little bit. I can't do it when it's like first sprayed. Okay, this one's not bad. It's not. It's a little bit more like, it's strong, so you wouldn't need very much. It's a little bit more like, I guess kind of like on the natural side of smelling things. It almost reminds me of, I think it was like Deja Blue or something like that. Oh good. Ooh, that actually smells pretty good. This is probably my favorite one I've smelled, honestly. Because like I said, I've been very open and told you guys like, I haven't found one that I am like totally in love with because I'm normally like a Marc Jacobs, like Daisy So Fresh, you know, that type, like Sweet Dream, stuff like that. Those ones are like my jam. And so I haven't really found one that has been similar to that with Farmasi, but this one, I don't know, I could actually wear this one. I like it. I'm not gonna lie. And the bottle's so pretty. Okay, last but not least, y'all, the new catalogs, they're here, they're here. Okay? I got a stack of them. Okay, look, I just have to show you this, you guys. Look at rub to smell. So all of the like perfumes, colognes, all of that, it's like a scratch and sniff thing. So you can actually smell them now. And you don't have to rely on me to try to describe it because you all know I'm terrible at it. So I am so excited that they put those in the catalogs. Sorry, Joe just walked by and said that the perfume smelled good. I was like, doesn't it smell good? So they're stepping up their game with the perfume, y'all. Putting the scents in the catalog and coming out with new perfumes, new colognes. I know Joe did his review on the new blue bottle. I'm not gonna, Baoli. I don't know, I'm gonna butcher that name. I'm gonna butcher it. But that one smells really freaking good. Okay, anyways. That was the gist of what I got. I know I got a lot. This was a big unboxing, but hopefully you guys found something. Otherwise, if you have any questions about anything, definitely drop comments down below. Otherwise, if you want to get a hold of me, you can definitely shoot me a message through Facebook, through Instagram. My name's Tori Brivey on both of them. Search that and you will definitely find me. Otherwise, I will talk to you guys. Otherwise, I will talk to you. Why am I saying that? Thank you guys so much for tuning in and listening to me ramble and all of my antics. You know how we do these things. But just make sure to hit that subscribe button before you leave, guys, and I will see you all next video. Bye! I ordered one of the Farmasi masks, and can I just say, like, look at this. So see how that sticks out? And it's like, I don't have it on my ear. Hold on. So see how this is like straight and this sticks out? There's like a wire here, and then this is straight. My lips are not touching this. So guess what? My lipstick won't get messed up!